Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. And what you're looking at here is Power Lead System. And this is how I do most of my marketing, through Power Lead System. It has the capabilities of building your own funnels, which are already pre-written or pre-made for you. And this is how we do it. I click on websites and then I go down to choose what capture page I'm going to use. Okay, let's just say I'm promoting my Power Lead System marketing platform, and I want to use a capture page. Let's just say I'm going to use the Hangout. I will click here to use this one, and I will go down and save my choice. And congratulations, you have successfully set up, and this is the domain that I would be using. But I'm going to go back over. Let's just click this right here. And this is what people will see. This is the Hangout that I just selected right here. And as they come in to look at the Hangout after clicking my link, and I share that link in many ways, and the most effective way that I share my link to my web pages is with Traffic Monsoon. Traffic Monsoon is an ad sharing program that I use each and every day, and I started out with one ad pack, buying one ad pack a day, and now buying ad packs will allow my link or my banners to my link to represent my web page. It would gain clicks from Traffic Monsoon through my banner. And these are my banners here. And when I buy an ad pack, all I have to do is select one of the banners that represent my program. I select either one of these. Like this one right here is Four Corners. I would buy an ad pack. As you can see, I am up to 65 ad sharing. It would have been 66, but I had one to expire. But I still have $100 to withdraw or buy 2 more ad packs. I am making $65 a day, so I can buy an ad pack each and every day and still have enough left over to buy clicks to my sites or my links. And I could come over here. I have credits available right here, 1,000 still available, and these are yet running. Visitors will see my sites, and these visitors will come from different places. It says right here, this service sends your website visitors from multiple other advertising websites. This will widen your reach across the internet marketing industry and provide you massive exposure to your website quickly. Now these are seen by a lot of people. It's not seen by just people that's surfing inside of Traffic Monsoon. We go way outside of Traffic Monsoon to gain other clicks on different websites. And now all I have to do to be qualified to buy more ad packs is surf 10 sites a day. Just 10 sites a day. And this will qualify me to gain more ad packs or buy more ad packs. And this is what I buy ad packs with. My profits from my ad sharing program or from my ad packs. Because once you buy an ad pack, you're making $1 a day. So 65 ad packs mean that I'm making $65 a day. So I didn't buy one yesterday, and this morning while I'm speaking, I'm about to buy 2. So what I do is go up here, click on the buy ad packs with sharing, and like I was saying, go down to my banners and select one. But I'm not going to buy one right now. I'm trying to make a decision whether to draw out my money and go and buy me a couple of solo ads to bring more traffic to my Power Lead system. And this is my Power Lead system. This is the page that I created a while ago, and this is the hangout that we have each and every Wednesday night, and he will explain more about what Power Lead system is or does. And you can click on either one of these links. Click on this link right here to get started, a free trial. So this is my Power Lead system. Of course, these are the tags over here to show you that I am a full-fledged member of a Power Lead system. I am a gold member, and I have completed in buying my my domain, and my domain name is Market with Marlon. But to learn more about this system, where you can get unlimited website, you can create unlimited funnels, your autoresponder messages will be going out for you to represent whatever business that you are promoting. And right here is where it says companies you promote. These are the companies that I promote. All I have to do is put in the name of the company right here, and come over here and find it and select it. It will go inside of my funnel. But the one that I select to promote will go right here. And you will have 2 links, one to represent the lead lightning, which is the startup of Power Lead system. It's a one-time $7 fee, and you will have your messages going out to your primary business or lead lightning. Lead lightning is a part of Power Lead system. And don't let me throw you off. And it's a good place to start with $7, because when you show someone else this amazing system, when they buy into it for $7, you are getting paid $6 out of that $7. Right here's your second link, which represent you can promote it, and it represent your primary business, whatever your primary business might be, and you can put it right here and start promoting this link. My name is Marlon Carter. Join Power Lead system by clicking the link below, and join Traffic Monsoon. Start buying your ad packs, and you can join Traffic Monsoon for free and start surfing and let your business be shown abroad inside of Traffic Monsoon surfers. And I must say, click on the link below, join Traffic Monsoon for free. I will be your mentor. You can contact me at any time, and I must say, have a good day or night. Bye-bye.